First, open Delta's Virtual PLC software and create a new project. Give the project an appropriate name, such as Auto and Manual Water Pump Control, and click OK. Next, navigate to the device comment list to assign labels for the inputs and outputs. Assign X0 as Start Button. Assign X1 as Stop Button. Assign X2 as Auto Manual Switching Mode. Assign X3 as Low-Level Sensor. Assign X4 as High-Level Sensor. Assign Y as Pump. Once these labels are set, close the device comment list. Now, proceed to the Programs section. Right-click in the Program area, select New Program, and give it a name, for example, Water Pump Control. Click OK to proceed. You will now create 3 networks in the program. Network 1, Manual Mode Control. Add X2 as the Auto Manual Switching condition, ensuring this is in the manual mode state. Use X0 as the Start button for manual operation. Use X1 as the Stop button. Add M0 as a memory bit for controlling the pump in manual mode. Use a latch to hold M0 active after starting the pump and deactivate it when X1 stop is pressed. Network 2, Auto Mode Control. Add X2 as the Auto Manual Switching condition, ensuring this is in the auto mode state. Use X3, Low-Level Sensor, as the condition to turn the pump on automatically. Use X4, High-Level Sensor, as the condition to turn the pump off automatically. Add M1 as the memory bit for controlling the pump in auto mode. Use M1 to hold the on-off state of the pump based on the low and high-level sensors. Network 3 Pump Output. Use M0 Manual Mode Memory Bit and M1 Auto Mode Memory Bit in parallel. Connect both memory bits to Y0 to activate the pump output. This ensures the pump runs in either manual or auto mode, depending on the state of M0 and M1. After programming, perform a simulation to test your logic. Toggle X2 to manual mode and use X0 and X1 to control the pump manually. Switch X2 to auto mode and observe how the pump operates based on X3 and X4, low and high-level sensors. Verify that the output Y0 activates the pump correctly in both modes when either M0 or M1 is active. That's it! You've successfully created and tested an auto and manual water pump control logic in Delta PLC's virtual software.